Welcome to vlog day 9. I'm still on the sofa, in case you wondered.
No, don't go on, Sadie.
I'm off this morning. I'm going to fix my car window because it's a lovely day outside and we've got to go out. And I hate not being able to open my window. I need to fix these, swap these little rollers over because they snapped. I've done the passenger door like twice, badly the first time, obviously.
And we did.
Now the driver's one's gone.
Kettlebells.
Yeah, we did kettlebells. Kettlebells again this morning happened. Got up, got it done. It's only like a 15-20 minute thing, isn't it? So we'll work our way up from there. So yeah, I'm going to go fix the car.
Going out for important needs. PS4 games.
Fortunately, it happens to be in the Argos, which happens to be in the Sainsbury's, which happens to be where we need to go food shopping. Can't see the screen's too bright. Yeah, and these little green rollers just sit in these rails. And then this bit of the window is supposed to clip onto it, and then it moves up and down. But this one's broke. As you can clearly see, there's no clip on there. The clip's still actually stuck to the peg, so it should be an easy fix. Non-breakable these off, well I'm in the ones I've changed them now. And I've got a couple of these white pegs. Not fix them up at some point. List made. So we're going to pop out. They said we need to get some shopping. I need my wallet, that'd be a good idea. We'll bring the camera on. I don't know if we show anything, because I think the plan is we've got to pay some checks in the bank. We've got to get some food and supplies. And we'll take Mia a walk. So we'll bring the camera along just in case we stop anywhere exciting, but I think Mia just wants somewhere green. Check's paid in. At the Blue Monkey place. We've got some off sales between, like, was it 10 and 2, 10 and 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, a couple of days a week, so we picked up a couple of nice beers.
And a gin.
And a gin. Mango passion fruit. We are back from the supply trip. Look at this.
Man, with no distractions,
Oh,
spend all day
Chippies.
we were driving past. I went fancy chippies. Chip shop was open. That was a good stop. I'm starving. I'm going to go eat mine. Did you enjoy your naughty little fish and chips?
Yeah.
What did you go to for?
But you're always filming me when I'm on the PlayStation.
Yeah, that's just excellent today. I got some other cool stuff while we were shopping. This is not what I expected to get. Look, a French baguette and some 30p pasta. Like, if that's not a sign that things are starting to get back to normal in the shops, I don't know what is. We got some charcoal too, didn't we? That was a little local shop, wasn't it? They still don't have them in supermarkets yet, which is a bit of a shame. Yeah, then we're going to get the tub.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. Beautiful day. Let's go to the garden. It's that kind of day. Yeah, today's been alright. Kind of chilling, do some shopping. This afternoon just had Dunk in the tub having a barbecue. Ariane's hardcore PlayStation gaming. So I thought I'd leave her, chill outside a bit. It's cool, it's a nice evening. Look at this. The worst times we could have of work. Good morning.
Return to function both physically.
Nice.
Don't burp on start again.
Good morning. I just thought I'd end this video. So yeah, yesterday was a pretty chilled day. It was a day for getting essentials and nipping out, wasn't it? So I fixed my car too, which is cool because I've been meaning to do that since we came back from Paris, which was like February half term.
We finished off the cheesecake.
Yeah, we had the rest of the cheesecake yesterday. It was a successful day. Successful cheesecake. The red velvet cake, not so much. I think the rest of that's going in the bin today. Ariane wasn't a fan. She's not a fan of
It's
frosting.
the icing. I love the cake.
Yeah. The bit that I didn't make. So I'm going to get this off stuff out of the loft when I've edited this video, so that'll be the next video. Just going to do a bit of a stock take on what we've got, maybe have a bit of fun with it, and I want to watch some YouTube videos and try and take some apart and give them a clean. It's been in the loft for a while. I don't see why it wouldn't work, but I'm a bit worried about the batteries because we've not been, as long as we've had the channel, which is like 5 years, so they've been up there for a while.
I'm going to throw some smoke grenades.
Yeah, they probably won't work either, but you know, there's only one way to find out. Cool, so we'll be back. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.